Good morning children, welcome to your class. So as you all know, we have studied about these divisibility rules. Yes, in the last class we have seen the divisibility by 2, by 3, by 6, by 9, by 5 and by 10 we have seen. Okay. So here I have taken one example. This is my number. So what is the number? 4,56,078 is my number. Now I want to check whether it is divisible by all of these or not. Okay. So in the last class, how we have seen one by one. First we checked by 2, by 3 we have done. But here I will show you one tabular form. In that table only you can check all is the number divisible by all the given numbers or not. Okay, how it is. Now draw a table. What is the number? This is your number. 4,06,078 is your number. Now you write. Divisibility by 2. Okay. By 3. By 6. By 9. By 5 and by 10. Now I want to check whether this number is divisible by all of these or not. Okay. So now by 2 means you should know the rule. Okay. So here I am writing the rule of 2. Okay. So what is the rule? A number is divisible. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. In its ones place. So write down the rule first. Okay. Similarly for 3 also. What is the rule? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Now what is the rule of 6? The number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. And for 9. So what is the same for 9 also? Sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Now what is the rule of 5? What should be there in ones place? 0 or 5. Okay. So a number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in ones place. And what about the rule of 10? A number is divisible. Number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in ones place. 0 in ones place. So these are the rules. These are the rules. Now here I have taken the number. Now you write down this number here. First number 4,56,078. Okay. So if you form the table like this means, so in number of numbers you can check by seeing the rule. So again and again you no need to write the rule. Okay. Now here I have taken the 8. Now I want to check whether it is divisible by 2. Now once you read out the rule, what is the rule? A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. Again, 3 plus 1 is equal to how much? 4. Now, is 4. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Sum means how much you got? 4 you got. Now, you check, is 4 divisible by 3? No, 4 is not divisible by 3. So, it is not divisible. It is not divisible. Now, again go for 6. So, what is our rule? The number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. So, this number must be divisible by 2 and also it must be divisible by 3. Then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay. But here if you see, this number is divisible by 2. But whereas it is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Yes. So, write down here. So, no need to go for again checking terms. Already have written over here. No? So, by seeing these two results directly you can write. What you will write? It is divisible. It is divisible by 2 but not by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not by 3. So, it is not divisible. It is not divisible. It is not divisible by 6. So, we don't have any particular rule for 6. You have to check, is it divisible by 2 and is it divisible by 3. If it is divisible by both means it is divisible by 6. If any one is not divisible means it is not divisible by 6. Now coming to here 9. So for 9 also sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. So find out sum of the digits. Already here you have done. Okay. Now write down here sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So how much sum of the digits? Again you add 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 7 plus 8. How much? 31. So 3 plus 1 how much? 4. Now is 4 divisible by 9? No. So is 4 divisible by 9? No. So you can write it. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible. Now comes to rule of 5. Rule of 5. Now a number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in ones place. So you have to check what is there in ones place. What is there? 8 is there. But what should be there? Either 0 or 5. Okay. Now 0 is not there. 5 is also not there. So it is not divisible. So write down. So in ones place. In ones place. 8 is there. Ones place. 8 is there. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible. Okay. Similarly for 10 also, what should be there? A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in ones place. What should be there? 0 must be there. But what is there in ones place? 8 is there. So same unit. So in ones place, 8 is there. So it is not divisible. So it is not divisible. Clear, children? So you have to form a table like this. Okay. Now after finishing this number, if I have given you one more number. So here I will take one more number. Okay. 3, 6, 7, 9, 0, 8. Now I want to check whether it is divisible by all of these or not. So now I am not writing any rules. Why? Because already I have written the rules over here. So by seeing the rule, you can continue writing your answers. Clear? Now you check whether is it divisible or not. Now what is there? Again, so when we are taking one more number, again you have to read it. If you go on reading like this means, then you can able to learn the divisibility rules. Okay. Now what is the rule? A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in ones place. So what is there in ones place? 0. So 0 is there. So write down. So in ones place, 0 is there. So it is divisible. So it is divisible by 2. Now similarly for 3. Okay, no need to go for the rule. Means no need to write the rule. So by seeing the rule you can write out sum of the digits. So find out sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So sum of the digits is what? 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 0, 25. So again 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So is 7 divisible by 3? No. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible. So coming to 6. So what is the rule of 6? It must be divisible by 2 and also by 3. So it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. So you write that one. It is divisible. It is divisible by 2, but not by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Now coming to your 9. So 9 is what again? Sum of the digits. So write down here sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So sum of the digits is what? You add up all these digits. So what are they? 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0. How much? 25. Okay. Again 3 plus 5 how much? 7. So is 7 divisible by 9? No. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible. Now coming to your 5. 5 for 5 what is the rule? 0 or 5 must be there in one's place. So what is there in one's place? 0 is there. So 0 is there means it is divisible. So write down in one's place. In one's place 0 is there. So it is divisible. It is divisible by 5. Here also. What must be there? 0 must be there in one's place. So already here what is there in one's place? 0 is there. So in one's place, 0 is there. So it is divisible. Is divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. Okay. So this is how you have to form a table. You have to form a table and you have to write the rules first. You have to write the rules first. Then suppose if I have given you 5 numbers means no need to go for writing all the rules for all the numbers. Once you have written means you can write down your number and like this you can write down. Clear children? And even in the textbook also, suppose your book is like this, okay? So don't write like this, okay? You turn your book like this and draw the margins, okay? Draw a box here, okay? Here number and like this you draw the table, okay? And continue in the next way. Suppose 5 numbers have been given means you have to write like this. Clear children? So you open like this. Like this you have to write down. Clear children? And in the textbook also I gave you one problem. You have to check by all the rules. Okay? So that problem you have to do it in this way. And you have to learn the divisibility rules. Even in the Zoom class also I am explaining again and again, but you people are not learning. Okay? You have to learn the rules. Why? Because again you are going to study in your later classes also. So thorough with your divisibility rules. Okay children, now you can copy this in your notebook.